Hi, welcome to the tutorial Map Database Part 1. In this tutorial, we'll learn the steps necessary to establish communication between the map database component and a database. In this example, we use the MySQL database system. We've created a database called MyData. The database contains a table called Production Data. Communication between the controller and the database takes place via an HTTP server. The server is managed by a Python script. The controller sends requests to the script processes data received from the controller and transmits it to the database as an SQL request. The database returns the corresponding data or executes the desired action. In order for communication between the script and the database to work, a Python connector is needed. For the MySQL database, a MySQL connector is needed. The connector can be downloaded here. The script, which can be downloaded from Automation Help, started using a command console. In the command console, the path of the saved script and the name of the script are specified. Then comes the port number used by the HTTP server. Any available port can be specified. This will be used to communicate with Map Database. Next, enter the IP address of the PC where the database is running and the port number of the database. In most cases, the database is located on the same PC where the script is executed. Therefore, 127.0.0.1 can be used as the IP address. Finally, we need to specify the database type. We want to connect to a MySQL database, so we enter MySQL. There's a list of database systems that have been tested with Map Database in Automation Help under Basic Principle. If the entry starting HTTPD at port appears when the script is started, we know it was started successfully. All the steps necessary to establish communication between the map database component and the database are now completed. Now we have to insert the MP database configuration. Here is the map link, which uniquely identifies the map component within the map environment. The map link establishes the connection between the application and the configuration. The database name and the required connection parameters have already been configured. The IP address is the IP address of the system on which the HTTP server is running. Specify the same port number that was previously assigned to the server. More information on this topic can be found in Automation Help. The next step is to add function block MP database core. It establishes a connection to the database that is specified in the configuration. We use the MP link input to reference the configuration we created, named gDatabaseCore. Then we'll enable the function block using the enable input. After downloading the changes, the program can be tested. First, we'll turn on monitor mode. The function block MP database core has already been added in the watch window. Use the connect command to connect to the database. The output parameter connected indicates that the connection to the database has been established. As you can see, it's very easy to connect to a database using MAP. Thanks for watching.